What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing you how to make a helicopter like this. So let's show you. So first you want to get a bulk short, then you want to resize it, make it a little bit bigger. So this is a simple helicopter minder, so yeah, make it like that, and then you gotta copy that, then start making a bunch of more of those. So pause mode, make a bunch of more of those. So yeah, like, so wanna make them like, yeah, and yeah, you need to do. So I honestly forgot how to do this, so yeah, I'll be trying my best. Then you place one here, there's one here, okay. Then you just, okay, then put one in the middle, make it go a little bit very up. Okay, no, like, don't use that. Okay, like that. Okay, do it. Okay, lift it up like a little bit, like that. And then if you want to add wheels, then you can, if you want to. Yeah, so I'll be adding wheels to my one, but it's your choice. Then you add the propeller. Yeah, then you size it to like this big. Then yeah, do that. Okay, then okay, you do that. You want to do the same thing, right? I'm not actually gonna do the wheels. Then if you want to make it like a military helicopter, add guns to it and stuff, then you can do that. But yeah, I'm gonna do that, so because I love military. So I literally use this in all of my MelonPlayground videos. Note, this is my first MelonPlayground video. I have played it before off camera, so yes. And then yeah, okay, then okay, add any weapon you like, any weapon. I choose machine gun. Ooh. Okay, do that, and then when you use this, okay, then it should be connected to here. Then do that. Then I forgot to rope it, guys. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry how to. Oh my god. I'm so sorry, guys. Yep, gotta do this all again. Okay. Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm so sorry, guys. For real. You need to tie these together like that. I did not do it how I did it because you already know I forgot how to do it. So yeah. Then yeah. So normally just like so I phrase this, right? And then so once you pause it, turn it on, right? Okay, so you're gonna be like that. So see, and then that's how you make a helicopter today. Sorry, the stuff in the background. I was charging my iPad, and yes, that was my cousin's charger. So yeah, and that's what my maids were telling me. So yeah, that's it guys. If you want some more Melon Playground vids, comment down below, and yeah, see you in the next one. Goodbye.